184T frame motor is a medium frame size motor. Its yoke height is 12.1 inches and motor length is 12.1 inches. Power ratings for the 184T motor typically range from 10 to 15 horsepower. These motors are typically designed for a speed of 1800 revolutions per minute. Voltage options usually include 230 volts, 460 volts, and 575 volts. Mounting is typically a base-mounted design and include 4 mounting holes. The approximate weight of a 184T frame motor will weigh approximately 120 to 150 pounds. Now we will discuss the TEFC, which means totally enclosed fan-cooled enclosure. A TEFC enclosure fully encloses the motor. This prevents the entry of external contaminants. These include dust, dirt, and moisture. Cooling is achieved through an integral fan. This fan circulates air over the motor to dissipate heat. A TEFC enclosure provides a high level of protection against environmental hazards. This makes it suitable for use in harsh or dusty environments. Ventilation involves screened openings. These screened openings allow air circulation while preventing debris entry. Applications for TEFC enclosures are ideal for use in industrial, commercial, and agricultural applications where protection from contaminants is needed. Frame 184T motors with TEFC enclosures are commonly used in pumps, fans, conveyors, and other industrial machinery. They offer a combination of power, durability, and protection. This makes them a reliable choice for demanding application. When selecting a motor with a TEFC enclosure, it's important to consider the specific environmental conditions and the required level of protection. Please note that specific details may vary depending on the manufacturer and model of the motor.